Hey, welcome back. It is me again, Ed. Today I am in my kid's room, and it's not to show you that he is spoiled and has a king-size bed and has a mess and has games that he won't let me play, punk. It is to clean some floor mats. These are like all stained. There's spots on it. These are supposed to be like a gray color and they look brownish. If you look, that one almost matches the brown carpet. So it's pretty bad. So we're gonna see if we can get these stains out. We're gonna see if we can get it cleaned up and making it look the correct color. And how we're gonna do that, we are going to use a cheap, I don't know, maybe $100 vacuum and carpet cleaner, which was I think like 120 bucks. We'll go ahead and vacuum it first, and then we'll try the carpet cleaner. This is the whatever I'm going to put in it, the solution. And so I figured if it cleans regular carpet, it should clean floor mats. So this is like my first time vacuuming these floor mats since I've gotten the car a couple years ago. So I guess I put some water in here and put some formula. That looks about right. Alright, there we go. It helped. I got the stains out. I think tomorrow I'll have to do that one again. That one came out pretty good. Still looks brown. Not as bad as it did before, but maybe when it dries it'll look a little bit better. And then this is like pretty much worn out. It's all flattened. So tomorrow I'll go through it over it again, and maybe it'll look better on a second time around. Alright, thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.